frizzle there is out of a straight wag. Kira. One squeaker that got scalped. He's a first rounder, he's healing pretty good. That silver pied there that's flapping, it's out of 2 chocolate bars. Mate to the recessive red, that blue, the white snap band. Yep, those 2 are nest mates right there. Both out of chocolate bars. '24 young birds. It's one of my droppers. It's an Indian fantail crossed with satinette and some roller in them. Yeah, this is my young bird loft. I've done pretty well out of it. I gotta trim the hedges, but hopefully we got a winning team here, or a couple of hot birds. That's all it takes. Alright. Everyone else, I'm sure I know a lot of guys got their young birds routing. Probably a lot of them got them training. Not me. This is first time out for half the birds you see. And like 4th or 5th time for my first rounders. Although that recessive red, she spent like 2 nights out her first time out. Glad she figured it out. Blue in the center, that's out of an inbred, first inbred pairing I've ever done, really. Alright, hope everyone's having a nice day. Little Van Reet with a chest frill. Yeah, I'll keep the progress as long as he sticks around. How that chest frill does. I love chest frills. Little Andalusian pied. Added some really good racers too, so I'm really excited to start racing these Andes. There's another one out of a different pairing. Another chocolate. That's the nestmate to the other Andy. Pounding the maple seed pods, another chocolate bar.